মনোযোগ দেন সবাই।
Okay, so we'll check the inversion. Looks a little bit more than this. Okay, 25 degree. Okay, inversion. Like this. 15, right?
10 degree.
10. Yeah, 10 degree. Okay. So now we will do the foot. This one you need to be, again it is too much prominence here, the talus. So I will do where it is minimum prominent but minimum. Okay, like this. So this is the right place. I will hold it. So one angle and one angle from the top. I will see 90 degree on another bar. Yeah, 90 degree. So 90 degree is almost almost 12 degree, I guess.
To a varus.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Same. Right side.
So I don't know. I feel that it is more than 12 degree. I mean, compared to that leg, looks little bit more. But let me check one more time. Okay, like this. Visually, it looks more. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah. So 12 degree only. Okay. 12 degree. Okay. So 12 degree, 12 degree. How much it was? 15, 18, huh?
18 cavus. 15.
Let me check. We need to be very sure. Like this, right? I think this looks more accurate, I guess.
Now it's look like 20.
Yeah, it's like this. It's 20.
Yeah. Joshua, it goes to 180.
It's less than 20. Yeah, you see?
It's 29.
Little bit less than 20. So 19 now, 18. One line is 2 degree.
Yeah, 192
One
degree.
line is 2 degrees. Okay. So, because it visually looks more as well, so you need to be very tried 2-3 times. Okay.